Welcome to our comparison video, where we will explore two popular compact washing machines, the Auertech portable washing machine and the Erivess compact mini twin tub. Both machines are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for dorms and apartments. In this video, we will examine their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you determine which machine is the best fit for your laundry needs. When it comes to washing capacity, the Auertech portable washing machine offers an 18 pounds capacity, while the Erivess compact mini twin tub provides a slightly larger capacity of 20 pounds. This means that the Erivess can handle more laundry in a single load, making it a more efficient choice for those with larger laundry needs. In terms of features, the Auertech portable washing machine includes a convenient drain pump, allowing for easy water removal after washing. On the other hand, the Erivess compact mini twin tub comes with a drying rack and hangers, providing a complete laundry solution that saves space and enhances convenience. Depending on your laundry habits, one feature may be more beneficial than the other. When comparing dimensions, the Auertech measures 27 inches in length, 15 inches in width, and 32 inches in height, making it a compact option. The Erivess, however, is slightly larger at 28.7 inches long, 17.3 inches wide, and 33.8 inches high. This difference may affect where you can place the machine in your living space, so be sure to consider your available area. In conclusion, both the Auertech portable washing machine and the Erivess compact mini twin tub have their unique advantages. The Auertech is ideal for those who need a larger washing capacity and convenient drainage, while the Erivess offers a more complete laundry solution with its drying rack. Consider your specific needs and preferences before making a choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.